Kings going to the front. Nice centering pass and a shot, and that's held onto with the blocker arm and squeezed. Good save by Newell. Monaco with it on his own blue line again. He's walked around and a shot on net, but that's a save by Newell. And the Kings work the puck back out. Pass to the near side. Manula with it, trying to cut in. He does, and he's hit hard, sent right into the net. Timer and a rebound, but that goes wide. Newell was out of position, but that one didn't go. Bad angle shot. And a nice glove save by Newell. Puck is dropped. Here's Campbell walking in with it. Passes, takes a shot, and a big save. Newell stretches out and gets the glove, dumping that puck out. Ott inside of his own zone, looks for a man, that's cut off. High slot and a shot and a glove save by Newell. That man was all alone. Into the offensive zone, stopping. Looking for a late guy, he finds him on the far side. That man takes a slap shot off the boards and pad save. Tie game here. Shot in on net, saved by Newell.
Up ice come the Indians, and this one will be flipped out to center ice by Nayusma. And right back in, the Indians will put that one out the low goal as that one was shot in by Eftimov. Away at it. And now up over center ice they come. With it now, this will be knocked away. It's by White. And this on the back end, shot in, and this time this is Moses. And he'll have his teammate, Owen Miley, will hunt it down. Indians on the intercept. Following that play, they'll come off. The shot is deep on point. Shot taken by Carlson. Once again, knocked away. And out in front, shot is up. Cross ice it goes. The Indians look to break out of their own zone. Force right. This time White will that time act as a screen in front of Young. And this one chipped up over the goal. It'll squirt on over to the corner. As it'll be pushed out now to the left side. And now on the intercept, they got a stride. This is what the Indians need. Will they get it in? Oh, put it right on. Smile, and it was left on the doorstep. But there was no knocking it about. And it's now going to be tipped out in front of the goal, and this one will be swept away. That was a dangerous shot by Castillo.
The puck comes around, unable to get it out of the zone. It's the Wolves. And Silvertip center it, backhands to the goalie, just off his right foot. Everett sends it in the zone. Ooh. Wolf player centers it. Ooh, shot off the leg of the goalie, off the post. Good shot there. Contested by number 5. Swing it around, sends it over to number 4. He catches it on a stick. Ooh, good rebound there. And they're unable to scooch her on. And Everett passes it out. Here they come on the rush. 1-on-1, 2-on-1. Passes over. Beautiful pass. Ooh, nice shot. And the goalie's able to get his legs in front of it. Good goal there. Oh, it's not a goal. Looked like it, but that puck was in. Nice shot by number 72. I'm sorry, number. For sure. There's number 8, Muldoon. Nifty move, shoots it in between the legs of number 11.
And sends it off and hops the stick of Monaco. He chases it down the left wing boards and gives chase. Monaco was on the run at that point. And here we go, right in front, saved by Newell on Balin. Balin had a point-blank backhand opportunity. He tried to...
Coming out now will be Sue. Sue with it, wrapping it around the boards. It'll be played by Luck Newell. He will...
Unable to hold it in. Goalie stepped up to...
Fed over to Tillinghast, as this time it's going to be skied up into the opposite end, played by Luck Newell. Home as Tulare nearly got it. Indians player loses their stick. This one will be dumped behind Luck Newell.